Hey guys, welcome back to Basan's Kitchen. Today we are doing one of my favorite things. We are making burgers and I'm going to show you how to make a specialty burger. It's Greek burger. We're going to show you how to make tzatziki sauce. I'm going to show you how to make patties. I'm going to show you how to grill them and we're going to put it together Basan style. Feta cheese, dill, red onion, sliced tomatoes, sea salt, granulated garlic, coarse black pepper, parsley, top sirloin 80-20 blend. And I'm going to show you the most important thing in this recipe is this cap. I'm going to show you how to make a perfect, compact, tight burger patty, and it is the simplest thing in the world. And this is the star. Hot house cucumbers for tzatziki sauce, Boston lettuce, dill, Chobani yogurt, olive oil, and white vinegar. Ingredients are in. Now we're going to start this awesome recipe. We're going to start off with making the patties. We're going to switch over to the sauce. Then we're going to grill. And we're gonna finish the recipe. First, I'm gonna prep the wax paper. So we have squares to put the burger patties in. It's just dry wax paper. I'm gonna go down the middle. Just overlap it. You could use a scissor too if you like. And so we're gonna make the patty. It's gonna go right on top so they won't stick. You have to take it, put it on the grill. It's just a simple thing, it works awesome. About 6-ounce burgers. You can weigh them. I can just tell. I'm gonna put them here and I'm gonna show you how to make perfect patties. The meat separated by weight. We cut the wax paper out to put the patties on. Now we're gonna move on to the coolest part of this recipe. I'm gonna show you guys the simplest way to make perfect patties where the meat is nice and tight, it doesn't fall apart, and I'm gonna say it again how simple it is. You see the cap. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover it with saran wrap. Make sure it's clung in. And that's exactly what you're gonna take the meat and press it in. Press it in, good. So make sure all the sides are filled in. Take your time. You can see it's already getting tight and compact. Now the bottom side is done and we want the other side to be even, but check this out. See how nice and tight it is? I'm gonna just flip this over. The top side is gonna go in the bottom again, so they're even. And we're gonna press it. I think it's nice and tight. And check this out. The wax paper we cut earlier, and that's it. Patties are ready and I want you to see how uniform they are. They're packed nice and tight, and now we're gonna move on to seasoning them. But before that, I wanna give a few pointers. I treat my burger patties like I treat steak. I only season them with salt and pepper. I'm gonna show you. That's all you need. Salt and coarse black pepper. I'm using sea salt. I'm gonna flip them. That's all you need. All you need. Salt and coarse black pepper. The burgers are seasoned. Now we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start grilling. Now we've got the burgers down. To get medium rare, you're gonna have to cook 3 minutes on each side. I don't want you to move it around. Let it cook for full 3 minutes. We like medium, so I'm gonna cook it for 5 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna flip. This is it, guys. The burgers are ready. Now it's time to put them together. So we had the burgers done. I'm just gonna melt a little bit of feta. Feta is salty, so we're not gonna put too much of it, just a little, to give it that awesome flavor profile. And I'm gonna put it under the broiler for a few minutes so it can melt and the buns can toast. The burger's done. We've got the feta cheese melted on the buns. I'm gonna make a quick tzatziki sauce. It is a simple recipe, but it goes awesomely with this burger. I'm using whole milk Chobani yogurt. We're gonna use 2 teaspoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon dill. And now I'm gonna show you how to actually seed cucumbers, because we can't put the whole cucumbers in, it's gonna get very watery. Cucumber, split it in half. take this. This is all the liquid you don't want in your sauce. This is what you want. We're just gonna put all these ribbons together. I'm gonna dice them up in small little chunks so you get like little hint of cucumber. It's my favorite thing to make. Now I'm just gonna give it a rough chop. Cut it even more smaller. And we're just gonna add all of this. And I'm just gonna mix it all in. Wow. This is exactly what you want. And now I'm gonna add a little pinch of black pepper to break the color up. So I'm gonna move it in a smaller bowl. Wow. With lettuce. Just gonna put the burger patties on. Red onion for this, because I really love red onions and burger. It's my favorite thing. I'm gonna add tomatoes. Wow, I love when a burger comes together. So it's feta, burger, lettuce, tomato, onion, and yogurt sauce. Or tzatziki sauce. So this is it, guys. Burgers are ready. I want you to look at the work on them. They just look amazing. I'm gonna put the tops on. This is exactly the burger I want to eat. Big, messy, awesome burgers. That goes in a burger, but when you put it together, awesome patty, beautiful, clean, gorgeous ingredients, and then plating, it's always BUNS style. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, BUNS style. Guys, I've always loved big, ginormous, messy sandwiches and burgers. This is my kind of food. So now, I'm gonna take it for a spin. Check this out. Oh God. Wow. This is exactly the food I love cooking, BUNS style.